10 rudest countries in the world. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. If you are new here, then please subscribe our channel and click the bell button for our upcoming videos. Guys, in this video I will tell you the rudest countries in the world. Guys, this week Skyscanner released a list of the world's rudest nations for visitors, calling out those countries who don't exactly provide that warm and fuzzy welcoming feeling to tourists. The list includes 34 countries based on responses collected from North America, Europe, and Australia. Here is the list of the 10 rudest countries in the world. Number 1. France. Number 2. Russia. Number 3. United Kingdom. Number 4. Germany. Number 5. India. Number 6. China. Number 7. United States. Number 8. Spain. Number 9. Italy. Number 10. Poland. Guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this, then please subscribe our channel and share this video.